Welcome, today in front of me XIAOMI Redmi Note 8 2021, and I'll show you how to change notification sound on this device. So first you should go to the settings application and then scroll down to the sounds and vibrations section. Here, as can you see, we got the notifications section, and here we can change our notification sound from to this one, and also here you can tap on the more icon and choose your ringtone from the internet, or if you got some ringtones on your device, the local ones downloaded from the internet, for example, and you can set these your own ringtone, or also you can choose one from this available default notification sound. And now, just for example, we can go with the light steps. Now just go back, again back, and as can you see, we got here the changes that our notification sound has changed to the light steps one. So that's really easy, as can you see. And if you found this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe our channel.